Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the FAQs section. The FAQs section allows you to display frequently asked questions on your store, giving customers quick access to important information about your products or services. With a built-in searchable Q&A module, customers can easily find answers before making a purchase, helping improve their experience and reduce support inquiries. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the FAQs section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to the homepage templates and locate the FAQs section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Growth Widgets. Once enabled, return to the homepage template and select the FAQs section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for FAQs and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the FAQs section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the FAQs section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Enable or disable the search depending on your store's needs. Enter your search placeholder text, which appears inside the search field before users type. Add a no results text message to display when no matching FAQs are found. For desktop and mobile alignment, you can choose. Left alignment is the most commonly used option, as it provides a natural reading flow for longer answers. Center alignment works well for short content or when you want a more balanced, symmetrical look. Right alignment can be used for unique design styles, while Justify spreads text evenly across the width, creating a structured and polished appearance. For mobile, you can choose from left, center, right, or Justify text alignment. Enable or disable the banner feature to display a visually engaging header above your FAQs section. Enter a banner icon name to visually represent the section and make it more engaging. Add a banner heading text to introduce the purpose of the FAQ section, followed by a banner subheading text to provide additional context or instructions for users. You can also include a call to action button by entering a button label text and assigning a button link. Choose a button style that complements your store's design. Available styles include link, default, solid, and outline. Select a button size to control its visual impact and prominence. Available sizes include inherit, small, medium, and regular. For additional emphasis, you can enable the fillable color to make the banner stand out from the rest of the page. When customizing the highlight background, you can choose to inherit the theme's default colors for consistency, or select a custom color scheme to better match your branding and create a unique look. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose none to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the FAQ section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add blocks to enrich your banner, such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full flexibility to design your content exactly the way you want. To start adding content, you can add a block and choose the appropriate block type for your FAQ section. Each block includes a block name, which is used for internal identification within the theme editor. Next, enter your category heading text to group related questions under a clear and descriptive title. Enter the icon name to display an icon for the category or content block. For each FAQ item, you can customize how the question and answer are displayed to create a smooth and user-friendly experience. To start adding content, you can add a block and choose the appropriate block type for your FAQ section. Each block includes a block name, which is used for internal identification within the theme editor. You can enable Open by default if you want a specific FAQ item to appear expanded when the page loads. Enter your question text, which acts as the clickable heading for each FAQ item. Then add your answer text, where you provide a detailed and helpful response. Enter the icon name to display an icon for the category or content block. And that's it! Your FAQ section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.